Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to identify features found on Microsoft Teams. Starting on the top left, you'll find activities. Here you'll find the feed of activities that have been taking place. So at this moment there haven't been any activity that took place, so that's why it's empty. And then we have a chat. And the chat, this is where you can chat with the member of the teams that are available on the meeting. And if you would like to also have a private chat, you can just click there. And then we have teams. So under team you find many other things which we will talk about later, such as uploading and downloading. And then under each feature like post, you find options of adding people to the team or creating channels and so on and so forth. So we will explore this further on the video that will follow about how to use the features. Then we have the calls. Here is where you will find the contacts of people in your team, and you can also go through the history, what have been happening in the past, and then you can make voicemail, create the voicemail, and you can also add the speed dial, and if you want to create a new group you can do so. And then we have files. Under files you would find downloadable files that maybe a member of the teams uploaded, and you can also find some information on cloud storage. And then apps, here you would find apps that are available within the Teams, Microsoft Teams, and you can make use of that. So if you also like to download a mobile app, you can click there, and we have here you will see how many people are present for that particular meeting. So only one person. Yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next video where we can explore more about these features. Bye for now.